The directions for use are taking one beadlet and biting down on it until the essential oil is released into your mouth, and then rubbing your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's Peppermint Beadlets. Through a unique and exclusive process, doTERRA has captured the unique benefits of peppermint essential oil and the convenience of a soft vegetarian beadlet. Each tiny beadlet delivers a refreshing burst of peppermint as it dissolves in your mouth, while invigorating your senses as you breathe in the cooling aroma of pure peppermint essential oil. More than a breath mint, doTERRA Peppermint Beadlets can be used for oral care, respiratory health, digestive comfort, and all other situations in which peppermint essential oil is used internally. The primary use for doTERRA's peppermint beadlets are internal, and the main ingredients are peppermint, coconut oil, palm oil, agar, guar gum, glycerin, sodium alginate, carrageenan, and xylitol. This is a convenient way to open up your airways and reduce occasional stomach upset on top of freshening your breath. The directions for use are taking one beadlet and biting down on it until the essential oil is released into your mouth, and then rubbing your tongue on the roof of your mouth. And this is especially helpful when traveling to airports and for family visits when airborne threats are high. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.